accurate.
The downshifts that big. V12, it's a wow. Okay, there you go. Oh, we've seen that one before, right? Slow. Okay.
What the shaking off?
Here to show. Oh, an F12.
Already got them.
YouTube or something? Yeah. They're pretty, I've seen here every year. Yeah. Way too many people.
Esse é os que ele comprou. Você lembra que eu mostrei pro seu vídeo dele? You see it, ready to go?
Or this way?
Obviously. I want to drive to that bullshit.
Yeah, tomorrow. What time? At 9? Me too. Yeah, I'll see you guys there. Sal, nice to meet you. Sal, nice to meet you guys. That's cool,
Oh, a Miura. Very nice. We're pulling over.
Well, now you know how you're going to leave this.
What? Yeah.
That's actually not a bad idea. Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Sorry, what do you ask me to? Never mind. It's the people who are like. Right? Let's check this here.
I think he's coming over again. No, he's... I work. Hey, I work.
That's pretty cool. Not bad.
The iPhone still looks better though. Is it?
Get the information. They're all well. Watch out. Zane's method is working pretty well. Flashlight. I need a spotlight.
It's got like an airlift cruising for.
Funny how well that works.
Right place.
That's pretty sick. Nice. Oh yeah. I also have a tungsten filter first hand. It's hilarious. Oh, you can see the engine through here. Look at that.
Yeah,
That's
it looks
sick. Oh, I need to get that in a shot then. Here, let's get the bowl or something. Hey man, can you bring it up, man?
Do you want me to do a video? You can be like, hey guys, it's back. I do. No, maybe.
It's nice color. Cool interior. It's like tan interior. Unless it's like aftermarket. SP photo. This guy really takes some good photos. Rating. Nice. 997 GT3 right here. Oh, you put trees on it.
Si tiene después placa.
Oh, GD2 RS. That's sick. What competitor is your name?
Victor, remember what you said about the parking lot back there?
Hit that with the light, dude. Hit that with one click of light.
There you go.
That's like they're both like the same. They have the same back.
I think the guy got pulled over now. No, it's somebody else, right? Yeah. Hiding in the corner here. What is that? Oh, the 675 LT guy all the way from Beverly Hills, and before that, Saudi Arabia. That's imported vehicle that we never got.
Right.
Oh, here we go. There's the lights photography.
We'll help you out here.
We're gonna see. What is this?
Did a side profile shot before there. Oh yeah, what is that?
Okay, we're going this way.
Nowhere to go.
Okay, well, we're going this
Another GTR. Wow, two GTRs. Holy shit. It's like a 2.7 RS or is it an RSR? No, it's 2.7
Good gun or?
RSR.
Full bolt on tune, brother.
It's already sent me? Oh my god, it's Christ.
Ever since he went with me to Yosemite, I haven't heard from him.
Did you flash it?
I got it ready.